Hello. Welcome back to your channel, AIXPro.in. Today's video on the master of fonts, logos. And in the world of design, few names resonate as profoundly as Adrian Frutiger, a master typographer, a visionary designer, and the creator of some of the most iconic fonts and logos in history. His work has shaped the way we see. Frutiger was born on 24 May 1928 in Unterseen, Switzerland. From a young age, he was fascinated by the art of calligraphy and the beauty of handwritten letters. Frutiger's education at the Kunstgewerbeschule in Zurich, where he was mentored by Walter Kach and Alfred Willimann. His early career at the Diberny and Pignot Type Foundry in France, where he honed his skills in typography and design. Frutiger's early work was deeply influenced by the swissdesign movement, which emphasized clarity, simplicity, and functionality. These principles would become the cornerstone of his design philosophy. In 1957, Adrian Frutiger introduced the world to Univers, a groundbreaking typeface that revolutionized typography. Univers was one of the first fonts to be designed as a complete family, with a range of weights and styles that could be used cohesively across different applications. Univers was a departure from the ornate, decorative fonts of the past. Its geometric precision and versatility made it a favorite among designers, and it quickly became a standard in the industry. In 1976, Adrian Frutiger created another masterpiece, the Frutiger font. Designed specifically for the Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris, this typeface was engineered for maximum legibility even at a distance or in low-light conditions. The Frutiger font's humanist qualities, its subtle curves and organic shapes, made it not only functional but also deeply appealing. It became a symbol of modernity and efficiency, and its influence extended far beyond the airport, into corporate branding, wayfinding systems, and more. Adrian Frutiger's genius wasn't limited to typefaces. He was also a master of logo design, creating timeless symbols that communicated brand identities with clarity and elegance. Each of Frutiger's logos was a study in simplicity and meaning. He understood that a great logo should be instantly recognizable, easy to reproduce, and capable of conveying a brand's essence in a single glance. Adrian Frutiger's impact on the world of design is immeasurable. His fonts and logos have become part of our visual landscape, shaping the way we communicate and interact with the world around us. Frutiger believed that good design should be invisible, it should serve its purpose without drawing attention to itself. And yet, his work has left an indelible mark, inspiring generations of designers to strive for clarity, beauty, and functionality. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe.